Hey guys, Kevin Moses here, your certified strength and conditioning specialist. I got some clients out there asking for foam rolling exercises for the calves. So we're going to show you how to do those calves. I'm going to lay on that foam roller. You can do a double. Now if you want to enhance that, you can do a single. Now you can still sit, or you can raise yourself. Raising yourself, a lot more stress. You're going to need some strength for your arms to hold yourself. And you want to go back and forth on those calves. So if you're a runner, a sprinter, any kind of sport, you're going to have tight calves because you are jumping, you're running, you're doing a lot of things, and those calves can get all full tight, and we need to release those to help heal and get in a better flow, okay? Better blood flow as well. So I also have a lacrosse ball here. If you don't have a roller, or even if you got a tennis ball, you can also do that. Right, and really get in on some calf exercise foam rolling, okay? And just let it sit there, right? Oh, ouch, ouch, ouch. So anyway, those are some good ones for you. I just want to show one more time on that side one. Just going back and forth, really going down. Now, you don't want to put this roller on just bone, right? So you want to find that muscle, that fascial, the myofascial release. That's a technique that we're using here. So implement that in your program if you're a runner, any kind of athletics. Put it in immediately. You're going to feel so much better. Take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.